Moving to a new country, your Google Play Store should come with you. First, grab your Android device and pop open the Google Play Store. Hit your profile icon in the top right corner. Now, tap Settings. Under General, select Account and Device Preferences. Here's the magic. If you're eligible, you'll see the option to switch to the new country Play Store. Tap it. Google will ask you to add a payment method from your new country. This is essential for regional apps and purchases. Fill in your new payment details, and you're good to go. Heads up. You can only change your country once per year, and you might lose access to some apps, books, or movies tied to your old country. If you don't see the option, spend a day or two in your new location, connect to local Wi-Fi, and make sure your Google account address is updated. Sometimes, it just takes a little patience. Once you switch, your Play Store will show apps, games, and deals tailored to your new country. That's it. You're all set to explore what's trending wherever you are. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and keep your tech life up to date.